Everyone. In previous videos, we have learned how to make table in MS Access and how to edit that record in MS Access. Now we will learn how to insert a field in MS Access table. To insert a new column in a table, new column means field. In MS Access, we call a column field. Place the cursor on the column header on the left of which you want to add a new column. We have to place the cursor on the column header. Column header is the topmost column. We have to place our cursor there. Now click on insert button in field and column group. There is a field and column groups in datasheet tab. We have to go on the datasheet tab, and that in that particular field and column group we will find a new field option. In that new field option we will click new field. A new field will appear in our table. The new column will be inserted to the left of the selected column with the heading field 1. Whenever we will make a new column, that column is always inserted to the left of that particular column which we have selected. It will not come on the right hand side, it will appear in the left hand side whenever we will insert a new column from the field and column group. Deleting a field. To delete a particular column or a field, click on the delete button in the field and column group on the datasheet tab. A dialog box appears asking for confirmation. Same, we have to first click on the column heading, then we have to go on the delete option in the field and column group on datasheet tab. At the top we have to select the datasheet tab. In that there is a group of several buttons. We have to select the delete button. Yes, click on yes button to confirm the deletion. Two options will come after that, yes or no. If we want to delete, we have to click on yes. Click for the confirmation. The selected column will be deleted. The particular column on which the cursor is there, that particular column will deleted by itself. You can delete a field by right clicking on it and selecting the delete column option from the context menu. From the context menu means whenever we will do the right click, there are several options comes whenever we will do the right click, and there is an option of delete also in context menu. Context menu is the menu which appears after the right click. You can also delete column by selecting the field and pressing the delete key on the keyboard, or we can simply delete the column by the delete key on the keyboard. Rename a field. To rename a field, select the column header that you want to rename. Click the rename button in the field and columns group. Similarly in datasheet tab, there is an option of rename a field. We will go there and we will click on the rename. The current heading will get highlighted. Now enter the new name. The column which we have selected, that particular column's heading highlighted, and it will ask to write or to change that name of that particular field. The new column heading will appear. You can also rename field using the shortcut menu, or just by the shortcut menu we can also rename that particular field. It's very easy. We will learn in practical how to do that. So keep watching the video. Moving a field. How to move a column. Open the table in datasheet view. In datasheet view we can view the table by clicking on it. Here we are selecting the entire column by clicking on the field header, as we always select the field header by clicking on it. Now drag the field to the right by pressing the double click or by pressing the left click. We can drag that particular column to our right. As we release the mouse, the selected field will be placed at the new location, and that particular column move to the new location wherever we will release our mouse button. We can drag it as similar. It is as similar we move a file in a desktop or somewhere, we can easily drag our file. In same way we can easily drag our column in MS Access. This is the very interesting feature of MS Access. It makes it a relational database. Lookup column allows you to select the values from another table or from the list of values. It allows us to select some values from another table. Lookup column creates a relationship between two tables. When we take some values from another table, it creates a relationship between those two tables. Access has a wizard option to help you to create lookup column. There is an option of wizard option to create the lookup columns. Lookup columns are those columns which we want to relate with another or to take the data from one table to another. Wizard refers to program which provide step-by-step guidance for doing some lengthy activity. It gives you the step-by-step guidance for doing some lengthy activity. Lengthy activities are those activities in which we makes a large database. In large database, we can copy some of the data from another table to the table in which we are working. We can take the data from some another table which we have made it earlier. I will show you how. Now we will move to our practical. Open MS Access. First we will click on Start button. There is a shortcut of MS Access. We will double click on it. MS Access will open. Now we will create a new database. We will click on blank database and database. We will click on the create on right hand side. A new database will come. So this is the table 1, and how to create it. We will go on first on home option. There are some option create, and we can create the new table from here. New table, and these are the fields. Add a new field. These we call a field. To insert a new field, there is an option in datasheet view, new field. We will click on it. There is an options appearing here to find templates. Templates are those which are already made, so it is easy to make a new field. By example, if I click on item, a item field appears. This is the way how to make a new field, or by just right click. By right click, there is an option in context menu, insert column. By clicking on it, see a new column makes. Right click and insert column. By this we can insert a new column in our table. Now how to delete these fields or column? I will do the home. If we want to delete this field, there is one option in datasheet in field and column groups. Here is the option delete. We can choose the option from here. We will click on delete. That particular field is deleted. Or by just right click, we will find the option of delete column in context menu. We can delete it by here also. These are the ways to delete the column. So here is there is only one column. We will add a new field first. Insert column. To work on it, we are adding some new columns. Field 1, field 2, insert column, field 3. They all are coming on the left hand side. See, I will click on field 2 and insert column, field 4. the new column always appears on the left hand side of the selected column. If we want to rename the particular field, here there is an option in datasheet view, rename. By simply clicking on rename, it is highlighted the field name and we can change the field name. This is the option by clicking on the field and column group, or by just selecting the particular field we can do the right click, and after in that context menu there is an option of rename column. Here by clicking on the rename column, the text is highlighted and we can enter the column's name or a field name. Now how to move the field from one place to another? First we have to select the column and then we have to drag it to our right, and wherever we are dragging it we have to leave the mouse from one place to another and it will automatically drag the field from one place to another to its right. I will show you how. First we have to select the whole column and then we have to drag it, as it is not selected easily. See, it is dragged from one place to another, so we have to do it very carefully. Move to lookup wizard. If we have to look up the column from another table, as there is a two table here, table 1 and table 2. In table 1 there is only one column, so see in table 2 there is an option of lookup column in datasheet view in field and column group. If we click on lookup column, it will show like this. A dialog box will appear. I want to look up column to look up the values in a table or a query. We have to click on the next button, and similarly it is showing table 1. The only table which is there is table 1 and this is the table 2. From table 1 if I want some data, I have to click on the next, and here are the available field. There is only one field, ID, as there is no another field in the table 1. There is no another column in table 1. Only one column is there, ID column, so it is showing ID. I will click on the next. You must select the at least one field. So for selecting it, there is two arrows here. We have to select the arrow. Available field is coming on the right hand side. Here the box for the selected fields. That it means we have selected the ID field. I will click on next button, and next button, only the ID field is there and this is the empty field. I have to click on the finish, and in table 2 it's showing that save it as on table 2. Okay, and that particular ID appears on the left hand side just because there is nothing in that field, so it is empty, and the field 1 is appearing for that particular ID field. The data is not there, so it is showing it empty. Thank you.